Alright. Okay. Okay, how about Team Down? Wow. Again, medyo mahila, no? Hindi natin marinig. Again,
but first off, I would like to, this is my chance to say thank you so much, guys. You know, for all your efforts in clearing our queue. I haven't really thanked you guys personally, but we were able to clear a queue from 60,000 plus down to what? 1,500. It's just paying around 500 to 1,000, right? Yeah. So that's not possible without you guys. So thank you so much. With that being said, I'll give money later on. Just participate, okay?
Wow.
Okay? Yes, nakita niyo, siya yung papatugtog sa DJ. Ganon, di ba? So, siya yun. Siya yung halagang SOM. I'm handling account entry and chat. I am chat. The live chat. Okay? And then, Owen Karen is handling ATO and CapCap. Okay? And the rest of the small skill groups, pinagahatian na namin yan. Okay? And on Messenger, we have, an incentives for
one of our quality audit, QA DJ. So our first thing, of course, I think panalo na natin yung political resume, the telepathy Kenny. Okay. Okay, where's your partner? Wala pa. Okay, we have Team Jam. Palapakan natin sila. How about Team Bia? Where's Team Bia? From here. Team Nora and Team Beach, where are those people? Hi! And Team Miguel, where's Team Miguel? Okay, Team Miguel is here. Okay, Team Resume. Team Resume.
Pinagkawak ako.
Yung vlogger pala.
Okay. So, alam mo niya, alam mo di ba? So, pag may sinabi mo brands of shoes, kailangan alam nyo, pareho kayo na sinabi mo brand. Okay? So, magkakalit mo lang kayo sa ayan. Talikuran. Okay. And walang magdadahan-dahan, disqualified yung dahan-dahan. Dapat kakayo talaga. Okay? Again, yung magdadahan-dahan, mag-disqualified. May I request the supervisor to party na lang yung mga anak. Yes. Okay. So let's start with Team Jam. Sige, ano muna sample ha sa Team Jam? Sample muna. Ikaw kayo, i-shout kayo sa Dota, i-shout nyo. Hindi pa yung bulong. I-shout. Okay.
Turbine. Medyo ganun. Medyo
tagal pa na.
Okay. Kinds of color. Okay. Okay. Ay, ano ba? Ako pa sila diretso. Okay.
Pag-isapan nila yung sa bahay.
Okay. Okay. Give me a fast food restaurant. What? Wala pa! Iba na lang. Okay. And kinds of seafoods. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wala ka. Di ka nagsalita. Ang TV. 1, 2, 3. Wala pa siya. Wala pa. Okay. Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Any kinds of fast food chain. Fast food chain. 1, 2, 3, go! Jollibee? Nakakain mo pa naman Jollibee, oh? Ay, dalawa na lang. Okay, okay to. Okay to. Okay. Okay sila naman. Sino naman? Oh, bato-bato kayo sila mauna. Go. Oh, naula kayo. Diba? Okay. Balikan na. Sige na. Okay. Best of 3. Sige, best of 3. Ito, mas paano sa mga boys eh. Since boys kayo. Okay. Brands of shoes. 1, 2, 3. Ating Adidas, ha? Okay. Very good.
Seasons in the Philippines.
1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 0, 1. Okay, balik dito. Bawi kayo ha, 0, 1. Okay. Black tie. 1, 2, 3. O-A. A daw as O. So, wala. Still 1 and 0. Oh.
Kind of flower. 1, 2,
Adidas.
Okay. 0, 1. Tatlong question. Okay. So we have our winners from Team Jam. Okay. Sabi ng children namin, wala nung console. Walang console. Okay. Okay. You will be receiving 500 each. Congratulations. Okay. Ito muna kayo po para sa picture taking. Cynthia, Makoy, and CJ. Team Jam. Team Makel. Hindi ko mapalagay ng mga kayo na ito. Okay ito. Alam mo naman yung comment ko, di ba? Okay. Kasi yung headset muna. Headset. Okay, okay. So kailangan may sound ha. Kailangan hindi yung ano lang gagawin lang kayo pagka-clap lang. Okay, ready? Ha? Okay ba? Okay. 1. Ano na to? Game na ba to? Okay, game na. Start na agad ha. 1, 2, 3. Ayan na. Okay. Okay. Paano mula sa tiyaras so nandito lang?
Ayan na.
Dapat taas.
O, yung mga,
Sound, ha?
yung mga naka-Rexona.
1, 2, 3. Sige, since mga ganito, magawin natin, hooray, hep, hep. Okay. Hooray, hep, hep. 1, 2, 3. Ano yung hooray? Muna. Okay. Ano yung hep, hep? Okay. 1, 2, 3, and... Ano ba yun? Consider? Okay.
Lagot kayo.
Bakit ikaw na umalis? Eh, hindi naman kayo ma-out. So, dapat. Hooray, hep, hep.
Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray!
Hooray, paano? Hooray, hep, hep. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray! Hep, hep. Hooray!
Congratulations to Ryan of Team Manel! Parado ka na to. Ay, nag-ready mo siya. Wala ka na. Wala na. Hindi mo mo kalaban. Okay, congratulations. Kung wala na trump ka, please.
So from now on guys, huwag yung isang FT ha. FT, gano'n dapat. Okay, and not just one. I put for 2 DMs for our account. And the other one we have... Grabe naman. Sa picture. Alright, our second US senior team leader is Jim Robano. Alright, with that being said, let me get their, message to everyone.
This sobrang thankful. Thankful lang ako with my team especially because kung hindi naman din dahil sa kanila, hindi ako mag-hold as kailangan ko yan siya. May participation. Okay. And also, with my OM, for guiding us. Wow! Na sobrang fresh, kaya fresh din. Hindi talaga kami din. Okay guys, on a serious note, if you wanted to be promoted, strive hard. Okay? Kahit na, hindi ko naman sinasabi na bakit ka hindi tayo
Ayan, so, with everyone, my OM, my team, my co-workers, OEMs. So actually, just to share insight. So I started working 2020. So as an agent. So I'm sa akin. System. Yun lang talaga. Guys, sa bike dance, sa in-house, meron kaming bike styles na tinatawag. Aim for the highest. So dapat, i-embody natin siya. Number 1, every day dapat lagi natin tinitake yung day na yun as always day 1. So this is a new opportunity, new beginning. So dapat ganun natin siya tinitake. Tapos number 2, aim for the highest. Dapat hindi tayo sa bare minimum lang. So dapat, if meron tayong target na 60, dapat hindi tayo naging 60. So dapat sa 30 lang tayo para at least hindi natin ma-meet yung 30 at least. Nandun pa rin tayo sa threshold na 60. So ayun, always going above and beyond.
With the closing remarks.
Alright, thank you so much for the madamdaming messages.